Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about a useful extension that if you are a freelancer and working on Upwork, then you can install an extension so that you can get recent jobs. Here you can see best matches, most recent and saved jobs. So this one is 11 minutes ago. Okay, now if you go and keep reloading this page, then you will get new jobs. So how you can install an extension that will automatically reload this page so that you will get the most recent job very first. So here I go and search for auto refresh plus Chrome extension. You can install this extension free of cost. Click on add to Chrome and then now you can go and pin it on the top. So after installation, this one, click here, pin button. Okay, now it is available here. Now let's see how it works. So for example, if I go and select most recent, and then here you can go and select the time period. So how many times you want to reload this page? Okay, for example, I want to reload it after 6 seconds. Then click on start button. Now here you can see page is loading. So in this way you can easily get the recent jobs very fast.